Hi, everybody. Welcome. Hold on one sec. That's just me, real quick. Sorry about that. So, real quick note, I accidentally deleted the previous welcome video. My mistake. So, I'm just making another one. I'll talk you through what I talked about before. I hope I capture everything. So, to begin with, you're going to need to be able to go to your e-learning web page. And so, in the it's this thing, elearning.delta.edu, to type into your URL. Now, I've already been there. Normally you'll go to the login page and you'll have to type in your password and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go to one of the statistics courses. I'm going to click on that. And as I'm thinking about it, let me do this real quick. In the content tab, I'm going to click on this and show you how I have this set up. There's the course syllabus. There's some information like a welcome video that'll actually be in here, or is what we're doing right now. And then each one of the content videos and documents and stuff are aligned with the test. So chapter 1 for test 1, chapter 2 for test 2, and so forth. And just a real quick note, chapter 4 is for test 1, except for correlation. Correlation we'll deal with on a later test. You'll see, chapter 5, probability for test 2, central limit theorem, Y30 for test 2, and so forth. So it's broken down by tests. Now, let me go back up here real quick. I'll address the syllabus. Let me find the syllabus. Here it is, course syllabus. And this is virtually the same syllabus for both of the statistics courses. And in fact, it is. Office hours are virtual on Fridays from 10 to noon. And you'll see, here's the link that you use. You will use this link for the proctored exams. There are 2 of them that are proctored, the first exam and the second exam. The third and fourth exams are take home. Proctored this way, you proctor them through the Zoom link that you have, and you will have a camera on your phone, and you will show me you taking the exam, your computer screen on, and if you have your test up on that, that's fine, and you write it on a separate sheet of paper. You'll use a PDF file. Do not use HEIC files. Do not use zip files. JPEGs, I started to say, they work sometimes they don't. So if they don't work, what I'll do is I'll ask you for the files again if they're JPEG, but HEIC files I don't accept. And the reason I don't accept them is this doesn't work with them. E-learning doesn't work with HEIC files. They don't work with zip files. I can't upload and get your documents. And so I don't have any way to grade it. So what ends up happening is you get a 0. Please don't send those. Send PDFs first. That's priority. But if you have to send JPEGs, most of the time they work. All right. Face-to-face office hours are 8 to 9 in the morning on Monday and Wednesday, and on Monday in the afternoon, 4 to 4:55, and then I head off to a regular class. Cell phone, a regular class, face-to-face class, sorry. Cell phone is here. My office phone is here. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. with my cell phone, please. I prefer that you text me first to find out if you can talk. There's a link here to get into the ALEKS homework. You can go ahead and click on that, and then this is the class code we use. There is an opportunity to have, they call it their financial aid code, which basically just means you get 2 weeks for free so that you don't fall behind if you're waiting for a paycheck or that kind of thing. So you want to look into that space right there. Your grade is broken down to tests or exams, 70%. ALEKS Mastery grade, I'll talk about that in a later video, or where I grab it and pull it over. I do it after the second exam and the final exam. Miscellaneous discussion board and posts, I'll show you that in a bit. But look here, you have 2 options to take test 1. You have 2 options to take test 2. Oops, don't do that, sorry. Test 3 and Test 4 are take home, and here are the dates that those things are sent out, and you have it listed in here. ALEKS Mastery Grade is an explanation. You want to read through that. Miscellaneous discussion board, signups, and attendance. You want to read through this. Attendance policy, please read through. Notice I made big bold. Do not send a zip file, HEC file, or any other type of file. I cannot grade them, and you will get a 0. It's very important that you send either a PDF or a JPEG. Preferred PDF, because then they interact really well with the computer. Recommended schedule, you follow that through. The ALEKS homework, I'll go to in just a second and show you that little piece. But if you look, calculator, you want an 83 or an 84. You can use an 89, whatever, but most of the calculator steps are for the 83 or 84. I do not send out or give tables for the normal distribution. Normal distribution is programmed into the calculator. Let's use the calculator. It allows us to get farther than 3 standard deviations away from the mean. We'll talk about that as we go into the problems and we work through that. Grading scales listed. Make sure you read all of it. Everything. Okay, let me do this. The stuff that you're going to need. Assignment Dropbox. So I went to the activities link, assignment Dropbox. Please note due date and times. Here's your exams. Due date and times. That's for you to be aware of. Okay, let me do discussions. So I went to the activities tab. I'm going down to discussions. And you will have posts, like test 1 review post. Now you'll notice the dates and so forth in there as well. And you'll notice in the syllabus it tells you need to sign up in your post for the test. You need to sign up for which day you're taking the exam. Okay? If you're not going to take the exam during these times, you have to take it in the Academic Testing Center, and you have to come to the campus to be able to take it. Test 2 review, Test 3 review, Test 4 review, or final exam review, forgive me. And then you'll notice we have posts, and these posts are used for attendance. So I have post 1 available January 6th, and then closes January 11th. And really, I actually have the posts predated, so you actually have access to them before, but they're the way that I keep attendance. So really try and put them during the time frame that's sort of listed, like getting close to January 25th, getting close to January 25th kind of thing. It allows you some freedom in what you're working on and so forth. A lot of these are going to be front-end posts. As the semester wears on, the posts become, I would describe, less intense, but the first ones are going to be very oriented toward the exams, okay? Let me do this. I'm going to go and click on here, and we're going to go to the ALEKS page. So, this is my YouTube channel where I'm making all the videos. So we go to ALEKS, aleks.com. Forgive me. Here's your login spot, your password, and the rest, the next video has what happens up there. Okay, I hope that helps. I will talk with you guys later.